Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning. My project title is Online Parking System Application, or as known as OPSA. Thank you for our panels and moderator. Okay, my name is Lieutenant Rahman bin Nusi as a presenter. My group members is Lieutenant Muda Zazalina Maslinda binti Zulkifli and also Wan Ahmad Azhar bin Wan Ahmad. Our content is included in introduction, problem segment, objective, methodology, finding, discussion, and conclusion. Okay, our introduction. Limited occupy, mainly on designated parking spaces, especially in mall, has increased to rapid growth of infrastructure due to strong society needs. A case study in Eon Mall Ipoh. To overcome the difficulties, lowering the searching time for the availability of parking spot unnecessarily travel period lack in handling the current parking system management. Several continents has been used the online parking system to address this concern, producing a prototype product by enhancing the online parking system application of SAP. Problem segment, insufficient parking spot in urban context due to the high demand during the festive season and long holidays, limitation of parking availability, poorly designed layout, and lacking of organization, leading in managing the parking system. Traffic congestion within the mall area, negative impact to the user which make the necessary spend more time seeking for a specific spot and contributing to a poor manufacturer system. Okay, for our objective is to design a prototype online parking system application, providing real-time information on availability of parking information on vacant parking spot at Eon Mall Ipoh as a case study. To produce a system that transmitting users information to an OPSA database that synchronized with Arduino Uno and IR sensor for availability parking spaces. For our methodology is the method that had been proposed is to simplify the usage for the users to register in an online interface application as an individual data which to utilize the web server interface to retrieve parking information. Next, the parking server then make a database query and return the user parking information via a web service interface to ensure the veracity, and authenticity of the transient information. The user must change the time status. The design system. Specific code from the Arduino program as a reference which can operate the other element in the parking sensor. With the method, the parking spot sync will be adapted to the Arduino programming, which will be receiving the periodically through an application interface. Okay, our methodologies. Install the application on the App Store or Play Store, and then register all the information user and vehicle, log in user ID and password ID, choose, select, and booking the parking. Code programming been set up in Arduino board. Arduino receive data from user interface and save the data. LED and LCD display receive command and turn on. LCD display receive order and switch on book. LCD display and LED turn to not available and read after the user confirm that they have arrived. Okay, next one, the sensor ensure that the parking space is empty. LED turn to green, free to book. LED turn to red, and the safety feature will turn on when the customer will do not enter the parking. The sensor detect the vehicle that enter the parking space, and LED turn to yellow, waiting for the confirmation from the owner parking space. If the vehicle has been confirmed and it is the right vehicle, LED turn off. The parking space is entered by the right vehicle and the customer could not book the parking space. The sensor detect the vehicle exit from the parking. Figure 3 shows that the process of the parking booking system after the user trying to apply through the online application. Okay, for the next one is result. OPSA has created as a prototype which are divided into two parts, which through booking application and model. Figure 4.1 is shows that parking booking system application interface required on online booking through smartphone. Figure 4.2 is wireless connection through Bluetooth device must be activated to consume the parking space information. Figure 4.3 4.3 visual handmade model parking spot that indicate the LED light had received the data from the smartphone application, which to turn it into green light to inform available parking slot is ready to be vacant in the current circumstances. For figure 4.4, it is too slow. The OPSA has been logging by the user into the application interface that has been set up before they may apply for the specific parking slot. The recognition of the red light by LED or LCD display is to show the unavailable parking spot that an individual has already reserved by utilizing the OPSA for their car space. If the user is not applicable at the space, the buzzer will sound repeatedly to notify the management. Discussion. By constructing this prototype, the user interface may match the program in which the signal can react and receive it efficiently to 90% in regular and book situation without any conflict in the Arduino Uno and SC05 as signal receiver, whereas the MIT software created user-friendly web application. Conclusion, OPSA have the potential to reduce congestion within the area of the mall and searching time for the users to find the vehicle parking space, which created positive impact for the both